Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Farhan Madisa and my batch number is 270236294 and I will explain about my paper that titled Comparison of Smote and Gaussian copula for handling imbalanced datasets in KNN classification. The introduction: imbalanced dataset calls for detection of minority classes. Smote interpolates minority samples but may create the noisy data. Gaussian copula preserve feature dependencies to generate realistic data. And our goal is to compare the Smote and Gaussian copula in KNN classification on credit card for data. Literature review: imbalanced datasets, a condition where one class contains significantly more samples than the others, causing models to become biased toward the majority class and struggle to detect minority instances. And the SMOTE is an interpolation-based oversampling method that generates synthetic sample between minority instance and their nearest neighbor. It improves minority recall but may distort the original data distribution and create unrealistic sample. Gaussian copula, a probabilistic modeling approach that capture and preserve the correlation structure among features. It generates more realistic synthetic data by maintaining the statistical relationship and dependencies of the original datasets. Research question and hypothesis. The first hypothesis, both Smote and Gaussian copula improve minority class detection compared to the imbalance baseline. Second hypothesis, Gaussian copula better preserve data distribution and feature dependencies than the Smote. Third hypothesis, Gaussian copula yields higher recall F1 score and AUSI-ROSI in KNN classification. Overall hypothesis conclusion. Overall, Gaussian copula is expected to outperform Smote by generating more realistic data, preserving feature relationships, and improving KNN performance. Methodology: we use the credit card fraud detection that have 30 feature step by step. Data first we pre-processing the data like cleaning and normalization. Then we apply Smote and Gaussian copula on training data. We train KNN on each dataset. Then we evaluating the data using precision, recall, F1 score, AUSI, ROC, and confusion matrix. The methodology: first we pre-processing. We process the raw datasets by eliminating any irrelevant or absent data, distinguishing the feature X from the label Y, normalizing the numerical feature, and splitting the data into training and testing sets. Oversampling technique: we employ two oversampling method, Smote and Gaussian copula. Before using them, we initially identify which classes were the majority and the minority to determine which portion of the data needed to oversampling process. Smote: in our code, we implement Smote to address the disparity between the fraud as a minority class and non-fraud as a majority class. After recognizing the fraud class is the minority class, we utilize Smote to create extra synthetic samples exclusively for this class. The Gaussian copula. In this project, we employ the Gaussian copula technique to produce synthetic sample for the minority class, we known as the fraud class. In contrast, the Smote, which generates new sample, interpolates between current one. Gaussian copula understands the statistical connection among all features and subsequently creates new synthetic data grounded in those connections. The classification: we use the KNN model is utilized to analyze the impact of various oversampling techniques, Smote and the Gaussian copula, on the accuracy of the fraud detection and to balance the predictive outcome across both classes. The evaluation matrix: we use 5 features. Precision is to correct positive prediction, recall through positive identified, F1 score to balance and precision and recall. Balance of precision and recall, AUSI, ROC is model discrimination ability, and confidence metric is classification summary. The expected outcome is Gaussian copula expected to achieve the higher recall and F1 and OC-ROC. SMOTE improve detection but may reduce data fidelity. Result provides insight for choosing better oversampling methods between the Gaussian copula and the SMOTE. Timeline. In the first week, we decide the topic and research scope. From 2nd to 5th, we write the section 2 and the 1 until 2. Week 6 to 7, write the section 3 and build the system. Week 7 to 9, we complete section 4 and the final build of the system. Week 10, refine content and make the conclusions. Week 11 to 12, submit paper to the conferences. The resources we use, for the Gaussian copula, we use Copula's library and Smogon. For the SMOTE, we use EMBlearn. Then we use Python, Panda, sklearn, CDT, NumPy, Matplotlib, and the Seaborn. The conclusion is to compare SMOTE and Gaussian copula for imbalanced data handling, and we focus on the KNN performance in fraud detection. Aims to improve the understanding of synthetic data impact on the classification. Thank you.